guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lynn and I am a mom of 5 and I do weekly cleaning, cooking, organizing, and craft videos as well as mommy lifestyle vlogs and whatnot. Today's video is a Clean With Me Power Hour and I am doing this video in collaboration with Jessica Giffen. I am super excited about doing this collab with her. I am going to be focusing on the front porch for summer, so it is time to get it ready, get it all clean. So you guys are going to be joining me for that, and let's get started. Today I am going to be doing a summer sprucing up for my front and back porch. If you like videos like these, please give this one a thumbs up and feel free to leave comments below. I love hearing from you guys and it really encourages me and motivates me, and let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like these. First things first, this door and entryway has not been scrubbed down in I don't know how long. It was really gross, as you can see, so I got a bucket with some soapy water and I'm just going to scrub everything. Down, I'm going to spray everything down with the hose, with the pressure nozzle. I'm going to get the window up above, the columns, the ceiling, everything, to really try to get the dirt off the stucco and the windows and clean all that dirty water away. I have to say, I was surprised how dirty everything was. I mean, I knew it needed a good cleaning, but wow. And I can't believe how clean everything got. Scrub down and sprayed everything down. Everything looks really good, but I felt like it could get a little bit cleaner, so I actually took a magic eraser, which did wonders. I honestly probably should have started there, but it really made the difference. I went ahead and scrubbed it just a little bit more on the sides where I saw some more visible dirt. This is the final hose down to make sure I get every little bit of dirt off. Look how white it is already looking. Next, I'm going to use some Windex and clean the glass inside and out. This was definitely much needed. Also, I needed to get Ruby's nose prints off of the other side of the door that really helped make the door look better. Since the ground was so wet, I figured I would use the mop to clean it up and also get the excess water off before I laid the rug down. Now I'm going to put my new whiskey barrel pot and this greenery for the front. I'm going to plant it to kind of add a nice pop of green at my entryway. I got both the pot and the greenery at Home Depot, and it is real, so it's definitely good for outside, but you could use it inside too if you wanted to. Gardening gloves, so I used medical gloves instead, and I could not find a better cup, so this had to work for today. Rug from Target online. I don't know if they have it in stores, but it was only $20 and I really love it. This is a 3x5 and I thought this was perfect to add a little bit of contrast and color to my front porch, and it is really durable, so I would highly recommend getting one. I will try to find a link for it and put it in the description box below. Welcome mat with cotton on it. I got this from Kirkland's during the springtime. I don't know if they still have it, but I will see if I can find a link for it if you're interested. It was only $10 and I really like the cotton on it. I think it is really, really cute. I am so pleased with how this greenery looks. I think it looks so classy, and I love the whiskey barrel. The wood on the whiskey barrel, I think it just really brings everything together. I'm totally in love with it. I got this welcome sign at Michael's during Easter, and I love it because one side is welcome and the other side is closed, and when we don't want kids to come over, we can just turn it around and they know our house is off limits. Usually all the neighborhood kids come over here and play, so it's kind of fun to have this outside. And it's super sturdy, it's all metal. The final step to this front porch sprucing up, I'm going to add this wreath here. I absolutely love it. I actually made it for a customer of mine, but I decided to make one for myself because I loved it so much. The bow matches the rug perfectly, and I love the magenta and lime. Guys, if you like videos like these, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, be looking out for weekly cleaning and craft motivation. Love you guys so much. Bye.